Alright guys, so this is elote in The Sims 4. Elotes are the classic and ever popular Mexican corn on the cob, charred on the grill. This mouth-watering dish is served usually with the condiments such as salt, chili powder, butter, cheese, lemon or lime juice, mayo, and sour cream, or crema. You can find these in street vendors or in restaurants, but whatever you do, it will be an instant favorite. Personally, I've never had elote. I am so excited to try this recipe today with you guys. She's just grilling up that corn. Look at it, it's so charred now. She's like, yeah, Mom, I can't wait. Oh, this looks so good. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, wait. I want to see what the full plate looks like before we... And it's normal quality. I can't wait. I'm so excited for supper. I am so hungry. Here is the fresh corn. Like, look how good that looks. It's already husked and everything. So boil your corn. I mean, I don't have a pot bigger than this, so it's going to be what it's going to be. You probably need a larger pot than I do, but we're going to just cook half, and then we're going to rotate them and cook the other half. This is not the ideal way to boil corn. Like, look, like I can't even fit 4 in here, but we're gonna do it anyways. So according to Google, we do it for like 5 minutes. So we'll do like 5 minutes on each side. So 10 minutes total for me. The best way to cook a Mexican dinner is with some Mexican beer or non-alcoholic beer. I would suggest Corona. You can also buy Corona alcohol-free. So depending on your kind of vibe, or you can skip the drink all aside, or just grab your favorite drink, or margarita, or Caesar. Anything you want. So we're gonna fix this up a little drink. Make it fun. Make it artistic. We're gonna pull them off now that they're done. Dry them off and put them on the grill. Now we are going to combine our crema. So basically what it is you can do it different ways, but the way I'm doing it is we're using mayo, sour cream, feta cheese, chili flakes, and lime. And we're gonna make the sauce. Now we mix it together. Now, I'm also cooking chicken with mine. We're just doing it until it's a little bit brown. Black. Now that the corn is seared, we are going to take our Mexican sauce and put a nice coat over one edge. And we put a little bit more cheese. Can be messy. It's more like we're garnishing it at this point. We're adding tahini next for that little red Mexican vibe. The reason why we only do one side of it is because it's very flavorful. And then cilantro. And then the last thing, if you really want to kick it up a notch, is your favorite hot sauce. Today we're doing sriracha. And there you have it!